What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, currently in Singapore, and in this video we're going to go ahead and cover the top 3 secret home-based business ideas to where you can make money online in 2018 from anywhere. Stay tuned.
Habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
What's going on, fam? So Eric Ellis Jr. here, currently in the city of Singapore, walking and talking. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, I'm a digital marketer, full-time online entrepreneur, and I create content to help people like you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. I just tripped, but currently in Singapore, right? And hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell if you guys want to get notified every time I drop content, so that way it can help you excel and get to eventually living this lifestyle, right? So here's the thing, right? First and foremost, let's talk about a quick backstory before I go into those 3 actual home-based business ideas. And why is it even important to make money from home, right? Now, I'm currently in Singapore. If you guys haven't already, right, been keeping track of the journey, been traveling for the last 12 months, a little over 12 months now. Been to 8 countries in 2018 so far. This is actually my 8th. And it's important to be able to make money online. So this is going to be very important for you guys. And make sure you watch to the end so that way you guys can actually get the secret hacks. And I have a bonus for you guys. So the only way you guys can get that bonus is if you guys watch to the end, right? But look how beautiful this is. I'm currently in a different city right now, and on a different continent in Asia, in a different country, Singapore, and this wouldn't be possible if I didn't learn what I'm going to teach you guys in this video, which is finding the right business model that works for me to make money online. Now, why is it important to make money online? Because if you make money online, you can have a life of time, location, and financial freedom. So how time freedom, right? Time freedom, when I used to work a job, I couldn't wake up whenever I wanted. That's time freedom. I don't have an alarm clock. I didn't have an alarm clock today, right? Somebody was like, oh, you woke up pretty late today at my accommodations. I was like, yeah, I don't set alarm clocks. Another thing is if you want to go on a vacation, like me, I've been on a 12-month, I guess you could say, travel, right? And that's not possible. Look at this over here, like just freaking beautiful. Like oh my gosh. It wouldn't be possible, right? Location freedom, we just talked about that. I'm in another country. You can travel anywhere, wherever you want. And financial freedom, the thing about online business is you're not trading your time for money, right? Now, when you trade your time for money, you're saying my time is worth $10 for an hour spent. My time is worth $15 for an hour spent. So look at that building over there, Somerset. This bridge is pretty dope as well. But time, location, and financial freedom, you can't have those things. Well, that's one of the benefits of making money online. So, and we're gonna go and cover those in a second. So make sure you guys stick with me here, right? But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the sights in this beautiful city as well while I walk and talk. So let's start with number 1, right? Now, number 1 is selling physical products online, and it's called e-commerce. There's a very simple business model out there where one of my buddies he created a business from creating a Shopify store and selling physical products online. It's called arbitrage. You buy low and you sell high. Take a look, do a little bit more research. Shopify drop shipping, when you literally get the item that you want to promote, you test different offers, you see which one people actually want to buy, right, by driving traffic to these offers. Then once you see what people want to buy, right, you scale it up. And how it works is literally somebody actually makes a purchase. This item, let's just say I could find it on something like Alibaba for like $3, but I can sell it, people are willing to pay for it, $20. What I do is I simply go ahead and promote it. They buy it for $20. I use that $20 to make the purchase of $3. I make $17. Now, there's a few more expenses and things of that nature, right? But Shopify dropshipping is definitely one of the most lucrative ways to make money online in 2018, especially from home. Now, whether you guys want to travel or make money from home or whatever that looks like, it doesn't matter, right? But look at this. Freaking, I don't even know what river this is. Oh my gosh. So number 2, right, is creating, you don't even have to create a service-based business, but you can be a freelancer, right? A freelancer is somebody who makes money by providing some sort of service to somebody, right? So if you're a good writer, if you're good at content creation, if you're a good graphic designer, if you have a specific skill set that you're really good at, right? People will literally pay you to do that skill for them, right? They outsource it. Me personally, I don't edit my own videos. I don't create my thumbnails, right? Because it's not worth my time. But what that does is it gives somebody else the opportunity to earn an income. So let's go ahead and transition, right? If I don't want to do it, somebody else is. So why don't you be that person? And if you have a skill set, go ahead and generate an income by doing it, right? Provide a service to somebody and it'll give you those things: time, location, financial freedom. If you go ahead and scale up the business, it'll not only give you the time and the location freedom because you can work from anywhere, but you can scale it to infinitely, right? You can start bringing on employees, create a little mini firm, little agency for whatever that skill set is, and it's limitless income opportunities, right? And number 3, my personal favorite, is affiliate marketing, right? That's what I currently do to travel full time and live this lifestyle, to where I've been traveling and I've seen some of the most beautiful places in the world, some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and all thanks to this skill set. Like, look at this, it's pretty cool. I walked down that alleyway. I saw people, like, it looks like in the movies, like, this is Asia, so you see the people in the shops sweeping with the brooms and stuff like that. But that's pretty dope back there as well. It's a little bit noisy, I'm sorry, I'm in the city. I haven't been in the city in a while. I've been in Bali, Indonesia. I actually fly to Bali today. But, so, let's get into affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's simply you get paid for referrals, right? So, meaning if, let's just say, I have a specific person who's looking to buy something, or not even, they don't even have to be looking to buy it, right? But they might have a specific likes and interests, meaning they like weight, or they're trying to lose weight or something of that nature, right? What I can do is I can then find a way to strategically, and I'm sorry for the noise, I'm in the city, strategically get a weight loss product in front of that person. And once they actually make a purchase, because I referred it with my specific link, I'm gonna go ahead and get paid a commission. Or if people want to make money online, right? I can go ahead and get a make money online product in front of them, and I'm gonna go ahead and get paid a commission. So you're simply getting paid for referrals. And what I like about it is, depending on which route you wanna go, with e-commerce, you have to deal with product fulfillment. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to deal with product fulfillment, because I personally promote digital products, but the company handles all that. That's why you don't get all the revenue, you just get a piece of the pie. But I would rather just go ahead and pay somebody, so that way I don't have to deal with that part, right? So with that being said, guys, those are 3 ways, right? And what's the point of this? Let's recap: time, location, and financial freedom. Traveling, experiencing what the world has to offer, meeting new people. Even if you don't want to travel, spending more time with your family, spending more time with your friends, spending more time with the people who who deserve your time, not your boss, not these freaking 9-to-5s, or people who really don't want to pay you what you are worth, right? Rubbish. So guys, what I want you to do next, right, is if you guys want to learn about affiliate marketing, or my personal #1 recommendation, the first link in the description, you'll be able to get access to what I use to make thousands upon thousands of dollars per week, every single week, consistently, which allows me to travel full time, right? And make sure you hit that subscribers button, hit that notification bell, so that way you guys can get access to future uploads. I've been traveling for the last couple of days. I haven't been in a specific area, so it's been hard for me to kind of create content behind the back office, but I do have more actionable steps type content that I do create. So hit that subscribers button and that notification bell. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Grab access to that #1 making money online method, so you guys can live this lifestyle. I appreciate you. I will see you at the top. And Eric Ellis Jr. checking.